Good morning everyone. Today is day 9th. We are at Ravangla right now. The time is about 7:30. We were supposed to leave by 7:30, but it's okay. We'll have our breakfast and probably we'll leave by 8. The plan is to visit Namchi today. I've heard that's a beautiful place, and then we'll be moving directly to Siliguri. Yeah, it will be like a 8 to 9 hour ride from here. That is Siliguri, that is. So yeah, excited for today. I hope today is also as fun as the other day. So yeah, let's see how far the day goes. Now I'll go have my breakfast with everyone else. See you in about a bit. Make sure you click that subscribe button to be a part of the family, and also don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications firsthand. So the weather is good today. In fact, it's all sunny out here, but there's a little bit cold. It's a beautiful morning out here. Beautiful Saturday morning. Today is Saturday, right? Yeah, gate to band hai. This is the statue of Buddha. The moment I saw this yesterday, I literally wanted to just go inside because this place looks really beautiful. I think it is closed down. It hasn't opened up yet. Maybe around 10 or 10:30. Tathagata Stal Sal. I can't read it properly. 2015 winner TripAdvisor Certificate of Excellence awarded to Buddha Park. Okay, tourist and general public 50, foreign tourists other than SAARC National 200, students 10, armed forces paramilitary 25. Okay, if only I could have went inside. The place is huge. It's actually a park inside with a temple over there. And yeah, you can see there is like no camera allowed inside this whole park thing. Sad, I couldn't even vlog inside. So yeah, now we are headed back to the hotel. We'll go to Namchi. Namchi is a place which is about 25-27 kilometers from here. Quite a good place, as I've heard, and there are some national parks and temples. So yeah, चलो देखते हैं वहाँ पे क्या है. चलो, met these good people. They are also staying here at this hotel, Rabong Valley. Just clicked a few pictures with them. The time is 9:50, around 10 in the morning, and we have officially left for Namchi. His clutch wire has gone. Okay, so we are on our way again, and it's all cloudy out here.
Never thought that we'd go this far. Don't stop now. Reaching for a distant star. Don't stop.
The place is Temi Tea Estate, where we are headed towards right now. Okay, so to be confusion cleared, we are in South Sikkim right now. We were in South Sikkim yesterday also. If you are searching for a good travel charger on your motorcycle, the Bolt would be the best one. The Bolt is a good option if you can afford. It's a little bit on the pricey side, 1699 Indian currency, but that is a good product, reliable and even waterproof. I used it in high rains also. My phone was put on charging. It didn't do any damage, and this portion is also waterproof. You can use that in rains also, but please do not use on heavy rains. My personal request would be, because who knows what can happen. The tea estates have started already, and it already looks so beautiful. There they are, all reaching up front, assholes. Selfie freaks.
হ্যালো, আমরা টেমিটি গার্ডেনে বলে দিছি। এদিকে ঘোরো। पैन आवाज का मोड हेवी लगे पैनो टाइप।
This is nice. Yeah, so leaving the Temi Tea Estate right now. Now we will be headed to Namche, where we were supposed to go originally. Abhi chalo chale. Rocks and rocks everywhere. Welcome to Namche. So we have reached.
Yo baby, we have came to Namche.
Okay, so we have reached Namche. I believe the district has started. Well, this is something unique. Kolkata. Hotel Kolkata. The weather is getting a bit negative, if I may, because it seems there are black clouds coming above. Well, it was already drizzling a bit ahead, though nothing is wet that much, but still डर लगता है भाई, डर लगता है. Okay, so you have to take this route. All the children are going home right now. It's about 1 also, the normal school time. Well, इनको देख के I remember my school days. गाड़ी आस्ते एगो. अरे एगो ना. हाँ, hello. So this is the MG Marg of Namche. Abhi, yeah, we will go there, I think. But pehle let's catch up with the other people. Jorthang, that is. Chalo, abhi let's see plan kya hota hai. So we are going to Siddheshwara Dham, Shirdi Sai Mandir, and there's a helipad. Bahubali 2. Yahan bhi. Nice. Okay, where is it? This one. Okay, so there is a stadium being constructed under the name of famous footballer Baichung Bhutia. That's good in a way. Wow, बहुत सही है. So football stadium, perfect. Helicopter से उतार दो players को helipad पे, and then let them play. In 1948 this was established. Okay, so you are allowed over here. This is the main place. Gumpa they call it. This is the big wheel. হলুদ হেলমেটটা দেখেই যা যাচ্ছে. चलो बाप रे. So this is it. Everybody is looking at me like some crazy dude. Okay, so we are leaving the Thumpa right now. Thumpa. Take a break from the ordinary. अरे बेंचोद ऑर्डिनरी देखने के लिए तो आदमी इधर आता है. इधर आके कौन ब्रेक लेगा. सिद्धेश्वरी धाम इधर है. चेक पोस्ट।
कहाँ से हो आप लोग?
कलकत्ता।
कोलकाता। आप जाइए भाई स्टैंड पर।
थैंक यू।
कहाँ भाई?
6। हाँ।
120। इसमें एक ही साथ में, ठीक है? 6 टिकट है। लीजिए एक बार।
1 2 3 4 5 6। हाँ, अरे बाप रे।
চলো চলো মহাদেবের দর্শন কমপ্লিট। এবার একটু খেতে খেতে যাওয়া যাক। খেতে যাবো তো খেতে যাবো তো ইয়েস খেতে যাবো 20 টাকা পার্কিং এর পাই আমি সবার থেকে।
ব্যাগের কাছে আসি না আসি সবাই টাকা পেয়ে যায়।
कौन सा बाइक है?
Gear blade. Honda.
CBR।
The battery is going to die in a moment. Let me change the battery and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so charged up again. Yeah, we're just still on that route only. Everybody went up ahead. I just stopped by to change the battery and stuff. The weather is starting to deteriorate towards the rainy side. The time is around 2:37 in the afternoon. So yeah, चलो अभी नीचे जाते हैं and let's find out where the other people are. Okay, so we are headed towards Siliguri right now. We'll have our lunch on the way. Yeah, so it started raining already. The time is about 3:44. From a local taxi, they said that Siliguri would take around 2 to 2.5 hours maximum. There's a place called Meli or Mali, they call it. So that place is about 4 or 5 kilometers from here, where we can have our lunch. The tropical thunderstorm. Well, it's not a thunderstorm. It's just drizzling right now. Wow, that just looks amazing. 1 2 that just looks amazing, man. Amazing. I think Mali is down there. Okay, so I have reached Mali Bazaar. This is the Mali Bazaar district, but it's been like 30 minutes. I can't find the rest of the people. Wait a second, what is this? Welcome to Sikkim. Okay, this was the first board that we saw. Oh my god, this bridge is fucking windy. Yeah, the time is around 5. Total kilometers done are 1300. Another 40 to go for Siliguri. Okay, so it's getting a little bit dark because it's already 6. It will be completely dark by 6 or 6 by 6:30 or 7. But that view is amazing. Still amazing. So Siliguri is 35 kilometers. उठलो, hey duck. Huh? Eituku baki, eituku. The time is around 6:30. Total kilometers done are 1320 exactly. Let me catch up with everyone. Rahulda and Kaushik are already up ahead. Even Saptarshi, Arijit, Ranjita are also ahead of me. I'm the only one who is at last, as always. So yeah, I'll see you guys once I catch up with them. So till then, tata.
কিসে যাব? অটোয় যাব? ও 6টা। सब अभिषेक कुल्फी मलाई। How you feel? রাউন্ডা ঠান্ডা থেকে ফিরে এসে সবাই ঠান্ডা খাচ্ছে, কত দম সব। খালি কাহা খালি। চলো বসে।